Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
Topic: Connecting across cultures, a dialogue about global citizenship. Setting: two classmates, Emily and Daniel, are discussing a project about cultural exchange on the school lawn. Let's start.
This project on global citizenship is really interesting. It makes me realize how connected our world is now.
Totally. With social media and travel being so accessible, we're exposed to different cultures more than ever before.
It's amazing to learn about different traditions and perspectives, but it also brings up some questions. Like, how do we travel responsibly and avoid cultural appropriation?
That's a great point. It's important to remember that cultures are not just tourist attractions. We need to be respectful and avoid taking things out of context.
Exactly. Like, learning a traditional dance for fun is different from performing it without understanding its significance.
Right? Researching beforehand and being mindful of local customs is key. It's about appreciating and learning, not exploiting.
And what about collaborating with people from different cultures? How can we do that effectively?
Communication is definitely important. Learning basic phrases in the local language shows respect and effort.
And actively listening to different viewpoints is crucial. We shouldn't assume our way is always the best.
Absolutely. Collaborating across cultures can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. We can learn so much from each other and create something truly unique together.
It's true. Imagine working on an environmental project with people from different countries. We could share ideas and tackle global issues more effectively.
Exactly. Global citizenship isn't just about travel or cultural appreciation. It's about understanding, cooperation, and working together to build a better future for everyone.
This project has definitely opened my eyes to the possibilities. I'm excited to learn more and connect with people from all over the world.
Me too. Remember, even small actions like learning a new phrase or researching local customs can make a big difference.
They smile at each other, their conversation sparking a newfound sense of global connection and responsibility.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.